Your skating rink running smoothly and effortlessly by setting up a recurring schedule for your reserved sessions. Start by creating and customizing your listing to showcase the exciting skating experiences you offer. This can be seen by the title, description, and the images you set. You will also add your pricing question and your cancellation and refund policies. Once your listing is complete, head over to the time slot tab and click Add New Time Slot. Set the start and end times. For your sessions, then select the repeats option to set how often the sessions should occur, whether it be daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. In this video, I am going to choose weekly on a Friday as well as a Saturday. I will then click OK. You will then click on this tiny calendar icon and set an end date to end the recurrence. I am going to end it for February 28th, 2025. Recurring time slots are perfect for regular events like a weekly skate session every Friday at 7 p.m. or weekend family skating hours. With just a few clicks, your recurring schedule will be set. Just click Save and you are all set, making it easy for your customers to book their favorite skating time. You can then click Preview to view the masterpiece you've created, and then you'll scroll down and click More Dates to see the recurrence.